You build with the only tool that matters, definite belief in yourself. The world bends to those who have burned their excuses and risen from their own ashes with a mission on their mind and no retreat in their vocabulary. Of all the weapons forged in the fires of adversity, none is more powerful than a mind fixed with absolute clarity. A wandering soul drifts with the winds of doubt, but the one who decides, truly decides, becomes immovable. Definiteness of purpose is the starting point of all greatness. It is the moment when a person declares not with hope but with certainty, this is who I am, and this is where I am going. The world steps aside for the one who knows exactly what they want, not because the path becomes easier, but because their will becomes unstoppable. Obstacles no longer appear as reasons to quit, but as signals, evidence that you are walking the path meant for you. When all else fails, when resources are stripped away, when support vanishes, when plans fall apart, purpose remains. It becomes the internal compass when maps are useless. The fire that burns when the night is cold, the voice that whispers, keep going, even when the body wants to stop.